Hi, my name is Saloni Gupta. So this is the Java file that we're supposed to execute. We have a couple of import statements which import the important packages that we will need. We have the public class exercise 3, which basically declares the class exercise 3. We have a couple of variables that we declare that we will need later. So they're from the class connection statement, prepared statement, result set. Then we have the main. So now we're declaring a bunch of strings that we will use later while executing some insert, delete, and update statements. We have a try block. So first we print out, select a table and then print out its content. So basically this will, and then we have the connect statement, which connects the JDBC driver to the Java files. So yeah, so here we have localhost data test DB, that is the name of our database, and this is the user, and that's the password. We have a statement that we declared earlier, um, which we changed to connect.create statement. So basically, we're starting statements. Then we have system execute update. So these are the statements the strings that we declared earlier. So string drop table if exists student. So basically, it drops the table if it exists. Which should exist, so it's supposed to drop it, and then we have SQ12, which means create table if not exist student. So we will create a table with an ID, name, address, status, and primary key. So I think it does not exist in our program, so it executes this one and creates a table. Then we have a prepared statement that connects prepare statement 13. So it is insert into name, address, status, values. Basically creates a template for us to insert stuff into it later. Then we have prepared statements that string 1 to Xiong Lu. So the first one, so the first question mark, it's gonna put Xiong Lu there. Then it's gonna put 123 Main Street Troy in that question mark, and then senior in the last one. And then we're gonna do a prepared execute update, so it's gonna execute whatever we updated right now. And then we're doing SQ14, so which is insert into student name. So we're also inserting a second student whose name is going to be John Liu, and that's his address and his standing. Then we have execute statement update, which updates it again. So now we're gonna do write result set that's going to show us the table. Then we have, after the update statement is executed, this is supposed to update, if anything was updated, then it's supposed to show that. And then we have, after the delete statement is executed, so if we delete anything, that's what it's supposed to show. We have a catch block, which is basically catches exceptions. Then we have a close, and then we have this function, which is write metadata. It gets metadata from the database, and then result set gets the result from the SQL query. Yeah, and then we have another write result set. So this function is basically there to print out whatever data we have, and then this function is there to close the result set. Now let's try running it. So we're gonna we're gonna use this statement to compile, and then we're gonna use this statement to actually run it, and this is what the output is given. Thank you.